Promoting an Instagram post from the app. Hey there, friends! Creating and sharing posts on Instagram is an easy way to grow your brand account while having fun on the platform. And although you can reach an amazing number of people organically when you share engaging and relevant stuff, you will get to a point where you'll hit a growth wall. It could also happen that you'd want to generate more engagement and drive more results faster. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to promote one of your Instagram posts right from the app, the easy way. Promoting a post. You have to start by picking a post that you'd like to promote. For this, open the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon to go to your profile section. There you will find your published posts by scrolling to the content column below your bio. What you'll do now is to pick a post to promote. Once you decide, tap on the post thumbnail to open the post. Once you're on the post, tap on the Promote button. Selecting an objective. Now you'll be prompted to select an objective. This is what you want to achieve by promoting your Instagram post. You can select your profile if your objective is to get more users to view your profile. This will add a visit profile call to action to your post to prompt people that you reach with your promoted post to visit your profile and view more of your content. You can select your website if your objective is to send people from Instagram to your website. By selecting this objective, you will be able to add a CTA button that will encourage users to take action. And you can select your direct messages if your objective is to encourage people to send you direct messages. This objective will add a send message CTA to your post that invites people to send you direct messages. For this example, we are going to select your website so we can send people to our business website. Because we selected this objective, we will be prompted to confirm website as the destination. It is already selected, so we'll simply have to tap on Next to continue. Customizing the campaign. Now it is time to customize your campaign settings. This includes defining your target audience, your budget, and duration. Let's start by defining your audience. First, define whether you want to target special requirements in certain members of your audience. Special requirements include attributes such as credit, employment, and housing. You can target special requirements if you're running campaigns where you promote credit, housing, and employment opportunities. To enable special requirements, simply enable the Special Requirements option. Then select the special category that you want to target. We won't target special requirements with our post, so we'll simply continue without selecting a category to keep the special requirements disabled. When defining your audience, there are two ways to match your targets. If you select Automatic, Instagram will target users that are similar to your followers. And if you select Create Your Own, you will be able to create your audience by yourself. If you select this method, you will be able to select your target locations, your audience interests, age, and gender. For this example, we are going to select Automatic, so Instagram helps us reach users that match the interests, locations, and demographics of our existing followers. After defining your audience, tap on Next to continue. Now you have to define your budget and duration. Start by selecting how much you'll spend daily using the Budget Lever button. Now select the number of days you'll promote your post using the Duration Lever button. You will see your total ad spend across the duration of your campaign, as well as your estimated reach above. Once you are done selecting your budget and duration, tap on Next to continue. Launching your promoted post. You've just set your promoted post campaign, and all you have to do now is to review your promoted post settings. Once you are ready to start advertising your post, simply tap on the Create Promotion button, and that's it. This is the easiest way to reach even more people with the same content fast and at a very affordable cost.